Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abid. Today we will discuss on the topic of print culture and the modern world. So guys, the previous last video I have discussed all the question of this chapter, the print culture and the modern world. But today I will give you the proper overview, or you can say the proper reference of this chapter and overview of this chapter, the print culture and the modern world. So guys, today's our discussion is on the topic of the print culture and the modern world. So guys, here I have provided you some reference, and this topic of the reference is very authentic and you never found anywhere like such reference. So guys, this is the overview of the print culture and the modern world. So guys, the development of printing was preceded by the use of the cylinder seals in Mesopotamia, developed in 3500 BC, and other related stamp seals. So guys, we found this type of the culture we found in Mesopotamia, and during the period of the 300-5000 BC, and there was also the culture of the stamp seal. सिंपल आप ये कह लीजिए कि मेसोपोटामिया में 3500 BC में हमने सिलेंड्रिकल टाइप सील, जिनको हम मोहर वगैरह कहते हैं, स्टैम्प कहते थे, इस तरह का कल्चर हमने मेसोपोटामिया में पाया. उसके बाद गाइस देख लीजिए, द अर्लीस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ प्रिंटिंग वाज वुड ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग विद एग्जिस्टिंग एग्जांपल फ्रॉम चाइना डेटिंग टू बिफोर एडी एंड Egypt to the 4th century. So guys, this type of the culture we have also found the earliest founder, or you can say the wood blocking printing, the first country is the China. That's why, because we found this type of the culture, or you can say the culture of the print we found in China during the period of 228. So guys, you should also minded this point and notice this point, that 220 we found the culture of the print culture in China during the period of 220, and slowly and gradually, or you can say during the period of the 400, or you can say the 4th century, we found this type of the culture in Egypt, in Misr to the 4th century. So guys, यहाँ पे हम डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं प्रिंट कल्चर एंड द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड के बारे में, किस तरह से छपाई जो है पूरी दुनिया में फैल गई और इसका सबसे पहले किसने इस्तेमाल किया. तो सिंपली आपको यहाँ पे वुड ब्लॉकिंग प्रिंटिंग हमको सबसे पहले चाइना में 220 AD में पाया गया, 220 AD में पाया गया, और उसके बाद यही टेक्नोलॉजी हमने इजिप्ट में, मिस्र में 4th सेंचुरी में पाया. सो गाइज, उसके बाद लेटर डेवलपमेंट्स इन प्रिंटिंग इंक्लूड द मूवेबल टाइप. तो उसके बाद यही सिस्टम जो था, ये कल्चर जो था, प्रिंटिंग कल्चर जो था, एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री ये कल्चर जो है सेपरेट होने लगा. सो गाइज, इफ यू लुक द हिस्ट्री ऑफ आवर इंडिया, वी फाउंड दैट देयर वाज द so many kinds of the kingdom, like the Mauryas empire, Gupta's empire, or you can say Ashoka's empires, or you can say so many. And slowly and gradually we found that the Albury dynasty, or you can say the Mughal, and also the last one is they were the Britisher, that they have ruled in our country, at least I think so. They have also from 1600 AD to the 1847, or you can say till 1947, they have ruled in our country. And during that period, what kind of the culture, what kind of the technologies, and what kind of the civilization they have brought with them, and they have separated this type of the technology, this type of the culture in our country. So this is the main thing. From they have come, or you can say that when one country will be go another country for the system, for the trading, or you can say they have installed their factories, industries, or technology, and their culture. Slowly and gradually we found this type of the country in that area. And guys, आप देख लीजिए, उसके बाद आप guys देख लीजिए यहाँ पे कि लेटर डेवलपमेंट्स इन प्रिंटिंग इंक्लूड द मूवेबल टाइप. सो एक कंट्री से ये सिस्टम, ये कल्चर, ये प्रिंटिंग कल्चर जो है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, हमने देखा मेसोपोटामिया में इसको मोहर सील जो सिलेंड्रिकल टाइप की होती थी वो हमने पाया. उसके बाद हमने देखा जो डाक टिकट में वगैरह वो जो स्टेप लगाते थे. उसके बाद हमने देखा चाइना में जो वुड ब्लॉकिंग का इस्तेमाल किया, जिसको हम, जैसे मैंने द प्रीवियस लास्ट वीडियो आई हैव डिस्कस इलस्ट्रेटली विद यू, यू टेक लाइक सच वुड पीस, लाइक सच द सिलेंड्रिकल cylindrical shape, and in these pieces of the wood they have script, or you can say they have write alphabetically A B C D, and finally they separate ink on the wood, on that piece, and put a paper on the wood piece, and you have the drying system was at that time. This was called the wood blocking system. And guys, after that we have studies, we have discussed illustrately that second point is here कि इसी टेक्नोलॉजी को, ये टेक्नोलॉजी चाइना से दूसरे मुल्कों में कैसे सेपरेट हो गई। तो मूवेबल टाइप फर्स्ट डेवलप्ड बाय शैन इन चाइना। तो सबसे पहले वुड ब्लॉकिंग को या इस प्रिंटिंग छपाई को सबसे पहले चाइना इज द वन ऑफ द created of the printing. The publishing is goes to the country of the China, and also the paper have also invented by the China, and we found that this culture, or you can say this type of the print culture had been separate throughout the world due to their effort, due to their technology, or you can say due to their efforts. So guys, first, and the printing press and more efficient printing process for the Western languages with their more limited alphabets developed by the John Gutenberg in the 15th century. And guys, we found that there was, that right now throughout the world there are more than 6,000 languages they use the people, or you can say that at that time. So there was the languages in Western languages with their more limited alphabet developed by the John Gutenberg in 15. And also we can say right now what kind of the technology of the printing press, we found that this credit goes to the John Gutenberg. That's why during the period of the 15th century who have used this type of the technology, and this was the main achievement for the world, and you can say for the printing system or the publication of the system of the education. So guys, around the mid 15th century, block books, woodcut books, and both text images usually carved in the same block emerged as the cheaper alternative to manuscripts and books printed with the movable type. So guys, during that period, that if you look the before the 220 AD and the 4th century, we found that there was the system of the block wood type of the printing press, and this type of the technology was used at that time, and this technology was very cheaper. And you can say that this वो हाथ से छापते थे किताबों के, जो भी किंग होता था, प्रिंस होता था, राजा होता था, वो अपने कुछ जो लोग लिखना पढ़ना जानते थे उनको अपने दरबार में रखता था, उनको अपने कैबिनेट में रखता था, और एज ए वो क्या करते थे, मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट वो करते थे, हाथ से वो छपाई का काम करते थे, बुक्स वगैरह को लिखते थे। और उसके बाद गाइज आप देख लीजिए, these were all the short, heavily illustrated works, the best sellers of the day, repeated in the many different block books versions. The Ars Morediana and the Biblia Pauperum were the most common. So there are so many type of the art and culture at the time, or you can say the skill of the script, or you can say simply you should be understand that there they have used the technology of the, we can say that this was the script, or you can say SCRIB, scribe, कलम कशी, हाथ से वो चीज़ें लिखते थे। और this type of the technology was very cheaper, and they have used so many kinds of the art and culture, or you can say the calligraphy of the time, how they write the system of the education. And guys, finally among scholars as the whether their introduction preceded, or the, you can say precedes, or the majority of the view followed the introduction of the movable type, with the range of the estimated dates being between about 4440 and 460. John Gutenberg's work on his printing press began in approximately 436 when he printed with Andreas Zihan, a man he had previously instructed in gem cutting, and Andreas Hallman, the tower of a paper mill. So guys, this type of the technology, you can say the main credit goes to again and again I am saying you that this type of the printing culture, or you can say the printing culture credit goes to the Johnsburg Gutterbirds. That's why, because during the period of the 1440 to 460, who have given a proper culture of the printing press, and guys who have some also colleagues, or you can say some friends, are the some scholars with him. So it was not until a 439 lawsuit against the Gutenberg that an official record exists, witness testimony, discuss type and inventory of the metals, including lead and his type of the mode. So guys, here we are discussing about the topic of the print culture and the modern world. So guys, we found that how the modern technology, or we can say the printing press, right now we have found how what kind of how the people have been done at that time. They have exploit this type of the technology, and right now we have taken like such profit. So compared to wooden print. So guys, आप देख लीजिए आज का जो गटनबर्ग जो है, जो तमाम क्रेडिट जो है जिसको गटनबर्ग, उसके बाद गटनबर्ग प्रेस, जॉन गटनबर्ग जो है उसने इन्वेंटेड किया गटनबर्ग प्रेस को, और ये क्रेडिट जाता है दिस क्रेडिट goes to John's Gutenberg. That's why, because who have invented this type of the technology. And compared to wood printing, movable typeface settings and printing use a press was faster and more durable. So guys, इसको compare किया गया. Right now we have the metal type of the printing press, and at that time there was the so during that period through the wood blocking printing they have used when they have invented the iron, and at that time right now we have this type of the typewriter. So guys, what kind of the technology at that time they have used, and slowly and gradually, or you can say what type of the technology right this time, or you can say in this contemporary time we have used, it is only because of the credits goes to the, you can say, first China, the China's name, whose name was Baishen in China, and also and other the modern printing press goes to the Gutenberg. So guys, the metal type piece were sturdier and the lettering more uniform, leading to the topography and the fonts. So guys, this type of the टाइपिंग नकाश की गई, लेटरिंग मीन्स क्या होता है, नकाश की गई, ये जो टोपोग्राफी है, इस तरह का जो मकामी निगार लोग जो अपने मकामी पे किस तरह से वो टोपोग्राफी करते थे, किस तरह से वो नकाश निगारी करते थे, स्क्रिप्ट करते थे, दिस टाइप ऑफ द कल्चर हैड बीन सेपरेट थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. The high quality and the relative low price of the Gutenberg by Bibli 1455 established the superiority of the movable type of the Western language and printing press rapidly spread across the Europe, leading up to the Renaissance. You can say the exact meaning of the Renaissance is a rebirth or the revival किसका हो गया या rebirth किसका हो गया, प्रिंटिंग प्रेस का. एक बार तो ये किस टाइप में था, हमारे पास वुड ब्लॉकिंग सिस्टम में हमारा प्रिंट था, और उसके बाद आपने इसके बाद इसका रिबर्थ हो गया, इसका रिनेसेंस हो गया. वो कैसे होगा, रिनेसेंस ए रिबर्थ और द रिवाइवल हो गया ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ द व्हेन Gutenberg and other people they have done like some job properly, and finally we have got like some technology. So guys, and later all around the world. So guys, today practically all movable type printing ultimately derives from the Gutenberg's invention of the movable type printing, which is often regarded as the most important invention of the second millennium. Offset printing is a widely used printing techniques where the link image is transferred or offset from a plate to plate rubber blanket then to the printing surface. So guys, right now what kind of the technology we have, it is only because of those people that they have separate this type of the culture throughout the world. That's why, because at that time they have taken from one place to another, like the silk, you can say, spices from the China, and throughout the world this type of the technology has been adopted all the world. Ultimately, that's why, only because of the trade system. So guys, when used in combination with the lithography, simply guys, the lithography means is exactly what is the lithography. It is also, you can say, the तिब्बत के मुतालिक शनाकी तिब्बत के मुतालिक lithography process which is based on the repulsion. Simply you can say harakat, or you can say that this type of the system is an extreme dislike, जिसको dislike किया जाता था at इसको repulsion किया गया ऑयल से और जो वाटर से अपसेट टेक्निक्स को इस्तेमाल किया गया था, इसको उस वक्त जो है इस मौजूद को उसको तलाफुत किया गया एंड इस तरह की इमेजेस को इस्तेमाल नहीं किया गया. सो गाइज, इसके बाद आप देख लीजिए कि आगे image carrier on which the image to be the printed obtain inks and the ink from the ruler, while the non printing area attracted a film of water keeping the non printing area. So guys, आज भी आप देख लीजिए, अगर हम जो वाइट पेज आपको होता है ना, उस पर आप तेल को थोड़ा सा सेपरेट करेंगे, थोड़ा सा लगाना हल्का सा, उसके बाद आप किसी भी शेप पे रख लीजिए, वो शेप उसी तरह से बनाता है. सो दे हैव रिपल्शन, और यू कैन से दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी दे हैव डिसलाइक एट द टाइम. एंड फाइनली क्या हो गया, इंक का सिस्टम हो गया, तो कीपिंग द नॉन प्रिंटिंग एरियाज इंक से फ्री किया गया. इट इज़ एस्टिमेटेड दैट द फॉलोइंग इन्वेंशन ऑफ द गटनबर्ग प्रिंटिंग प्रेस, द यूरोपियन बुक आउटपुट रोज फ्रॉम a few millions to around the 1 million copies within span of the less than 4 centuries. तो उसके बाद गटनबर्ग ने, पहले क्या होता था, जो सेक्रेड बुक्स होती थी जो चर्च में रखी जाती थी, उनको मतलब इसने प्रिंट किया गया और बहुत सारी इसकी कॉपी जो है सेपरेट की गई. उसके बाद सिमोट हॉटलैब, हु वाज एक्साइट इन द ब्रिटेन एंड एंथुसियास्टिक about the social and the cultural reforms, wrote in 1641 that the art of printing their own rights and liberties will not be governed by way of oppression. इसको जुर्म या जबर से या ज़्यादती से इस तरह के कल्चर को नहीं अपनाया जा सकता, या हुकूमत के तौर पर इसको नहीं, बल्कि इसमें आपको वो जोश, वो जज्बा होना चाहिए कि इस तरह का कल्चर किस तरह से हम, ये जो प्रिंटिंग प्रेस का कल्चर है, इसको हम किस तरह से सेपरेट करेंगे. सो गाइज, you found that eventually including those form of all classes of the society to study religious texts and the politically sensitive by themselves instead of the having their thinking mediated by the religious and the political authorities. Printing took a somewhat longer time for printing to the penetrate Russia, while it appeared a little earlier in the rest of the Orthodox Christianity world and region, including modern Siberia, Romania and Bulgaria. So guys, you found that how this type of the culture had been separate different countries, and what was the main reason at that time this type of the culture and printing culture had been separate throughout the world. You have found here like the countries, what is the exact date. So the first book printed by Siberia appeared in 1493, but the Siberian printing as well as that of the other Balkan state was the largely extinguished by the arrival of the Ottoman oppression. So guys, आपको मैंने the previous last discussion when we have discussed illustrately about the topic of the French Revolution. So at that time there was the imperialism system. So one country and the Balkan, it was the region of the Romania, Bulgaria, or you can say these countries were under the control of the Roman Empire, or Ottoman Empire. And at that time in Balkan there was the system, or you can say culture of the printing. This culture was also known as this was belong to the Ottoman oppressor. जिस तरह से भी वो Ottoman Empire ने वहाँ पे प्रिंटिंग का कल्चर था, वही वहाँ पे था. Siberian and the Greek books were also printed in the printing houses run by Serbs and the Greeks and the Venice and the later Australia, Hungary. So this is all the discussion about how much time all the countries of the world they have taken like such technology and like such culture. The culture that's name is printing culture. And finally in the Muslim world, WORLD, in the Muslim world, printing especially in Arabic or the Turkish was strongly opposed throughout the early modern period. So अगर हम कहेंगे जो early modern period था, जिस दौरान में इस तरह की टेक्निक को इस्तेमाल किया जाता था, it was a big conflict, or you can say a big problem among the Muslim community, because they think if we will use this type of the technology, due to which our sacred books will be reformed, or there will be included something, and this is not allowed in the system or in the culture, or you can say in the system of the Arabic or the Muslim community. So at that time it was a big controversy among the Arab countries. They think that this type of the technology, if you used, we will be found some mistakes during this period. So guys, during the printing of our sacred books, or you can say the Holy Quran, or you can say the saying of the Prophet and the Holy Quran. So guys, though sometimes printing in Hebrew was permitted, but जो Hebrew थे, जो यहूदी लोग थे, उन्होंने इस टेक्नोलॉजी को, इस प्रिंट को इस्तेमाल किया. Muslim countries have been regarded as forming a consistent barrier to the passage of the printing from China to the West, and according to an imperial ambassador to Istanbul in the middle of the 16th century, it was a sin for the Turkish to print religious book in So at the time, क्योंकि गाइस जो रिलीजियस बुक होती थी मुस्लिम, जो जैसे कुरान है वगैरह है, इसको हम सिंपली तौर पर पब्लिश एक आम आदमी नहीं पब्लिश कर सके प्रिंटिंग प्रेस में, क्योंकि ये माना जाता था इट वाज ए बिग और यू कैन से बिग sin during that period. And in 1515 Sultan Selim issued a decree, and Sultan Selim हैज़ इशूड ए डिक्रे मीन्स क्या होता है, अदालती या हुकूमत का हुक्मनामा जो उस वक़्त का बादशाह था सुल्तान सलीम ने उसने इशू किया, एंड विच द अंडर विच द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द प्रिंटिंग वुड बी पुनिशेबल बाय डेथ. अगर कोई प्रिंट करेगा, जो हमारी सेक्रेट बुक है इनको प्रिंट करेगा, तो उसको जो है पुनिशमेंट मिल सकती है. एट द एंड ऑफ द 16th century सुल्तान मुराद थर्ड परमिटेड द सेल ऑफ द नॉन रिलीजियस प्रिंटिंग बुक्स इन द अरबिक कैरेक्टर्स, yet the majority were important from the Italy. It was throughout that the introduction of the printing medium would be strengthen religious and enhance the power. So during the period of Sultan Murid III, who have permitted this type of the technology, and at the time they have this type of the technology has been strengthened, and the majority of the books were also religious nature, with the church and the crown regulating content. The consequences of the printing wrong material were extreme. Marozi was used the example of the William Cotter, and during the period of the 1548 printed a pro-Catholic pamphlet. The consequences are, you know that when this type of the technology has been used, and at that time there had been found so many wrongs in that Catholic pamphlet. So this type in England, so द कंसिक्वेंसी ऑफ हिज एक्शन वाज द हैंगिंग. और इस तरह के जब उसने टेक्नोलॉजी किया कैथोलिक, जब उसने एक पैम्पलेट लिखा तो उससे काफ़ी ये टेक्नोलॉजी जो है हैंग हो गई, या यू कैन से दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ द बुक हैड बीन हैंग. एंड वाई द वाइड सेपरेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द बिबली हैड ए रिवोल्यूशनरी impact because it is decrease the power of the Catholic Church as the prime processor and the interpreter of the God word. Print give a broader range of the readers access to knowledge and enable later generation to build directly on the intellectual achievement of the earlier ones without the change appraising verbal tradition. So guys, you found here is available, I have available you full reference of this contest. And guys, comparison between the incompatible views Asia Briggs. You can say that Asia Briggs and the Peter Brook identified 5 kinds of the reading that developed in relation to the introduction of the print. So guys, I will be provide you overview of the, you have need to write that what kind of the reading they have provided at the time. So one was the critical reading, and other was the dangerous reading, third one was the creative reading, fourth one was the extensive reading, and last one was the private reading. So guys, these were the printings at that time, the both of the scholar they have used. But to conclude this topic, the invention of the printing also changed the occupational structure of the Europe cities. Printers emerged as a new group of artists for whom literacy was essential, though the much more liberal extensive occupation of the scribe means होता है कलमदान, जो कलम से लिखते हैं, naturally declined. Proof correcting arose as a new occupation, while arising in the amount of the bookseller, and the librarians naturally followed the explosion in the number of books. So guys, today we have discussed clearly about and I have provided you the overview of the print culture and द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. सो गाइस, किस तरह से चाइना में पहले इसका चाइना में पहले इस टेक्नोलॉजी का, जिसको हम वुड ब्लॉक कहते हैं, उस टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल हो गया प्रिंटिंग के लिए, और उसके बाद स्लोली और ग्रेजुअली ये टेक्नोलॉजी दूसरे मुल्कों में कैसे आ गई. तो यू विल फाइंड दैट दिस टेक्नोलॉजी, जब वो मसाला लेकर सिल्क लेकर वो एक मतलब चाइना से दूसरे मुल्कों में जाते थे, तो इस तरह का टेक्नोलॉजी भी उन्होंने दूसरे मुल्कों में फैल गई. और द क्रेडिट गोज टू द फर्स्ट गोज टू द China's main person was, that is Bai Shan in China, and other credit was goes to the Gutenberg. That's why, because through which we have taken the metal type of the printing press, and through which the all the world had been throughout the world this type of the technology has been separate. So guys, I hope when you will once go through on thoroughly and discuss, or you can say understand this topic properly, definitely you will understand the whole of your chapter, the printing culture and the modern world. So guys, I hope that you have understand after this discussion, you have understand all the overview, or you can say all the discussion which I have done with you, the print culture and the modern world. And I hope that definitely you will go through on this topic, and definitely you will what kind of the question in the examination the examiner will ask you, you will be faced properly this type of the question, or you can solve this type of the question properly. And in the end, I heartily thank you very much, and I heartily request you that please subscribe, like and share like such videos. That's why, because in future you will find like such videos and lectures through which you will be benefited. Thank you very much once again.